This is Joan of Arc. We're ordering Cold Stone ice cream, said to be one of the best ice creams in America, and it's here. Ferrero. He's got rhythm, like a woo. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah! Wow! Wow! Yeah, later. Wow! Wow, that's a Cold Stone ice cream. Yummy. Even his ice cream scoops, he's doing it like drumsticks. Like, tag, tag, tag. Oh my god. There he goes. Don't drop it. Shoo! Wow. Tag, 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 tag. That is my mint chocolate ice cream. Ah, Kit Kat? Okay. Okay, if that's what you recommend, yep. Go for it. The mini sweets at Eaton Tower. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. There's a challenge. Catch the ice cream. Oh my gosh! No! 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 Catch it for me! Oh my god! Wow, thank you so much. This is amazing. This is Joan of Arc and trying some yummy Cold Stone. Bye for now.
You get the best performance and the best service.
Oh yeah.
So you keep the change, my friend.
Oh my gosh, yes. Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you. Have a great lunch. It was worth the wait. It was worth the wait. Bye-bye. God bless you. Bye-bye.